Hello everyone, this is Jason here with another video of how do you cook that. Today we will be showing you an Asian green onion. The green onions that I'm showing you are organically grown on our farm and can be purchased at a Irvine Farmers Market Saturday morning and Alhambra Farmers Market on Sunday mornings. Today I will be showing you a simple sauté using the green onions. The green onions used in this video do not look like typical green onions. The ones in the supermarket are very small, while these ones I'm using today are large and almost resemble leeks. As you can see, I'm cutting the green onions in bigger pieces. You don't want them cut them too small. You'll lose the flavor of the green onions and you'll lose the texture of the green onions. Next I'll be preparing the meats. This time I'm going to be using skirt steak. It's very commonly used for sautés. I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces, more like bite-sized pieces. That way when you're sautéing, the meat and the green onions will have about the same size and same ratio. Back on the note of green onions, what makes these green onions larger? Well, there are different varieties of green onions and different conditions that they are grown in. Depending on the time of year, the soil, the weather, water concentration, and so on. Even when they are harvested, certain people harvest them when they're really young to get very thin and very tender-like, while when we harvested it, it's larger and then fully matured, have more flavor. Now most people think the little ones are better. In fact, larger ones have more flavor and are sweeter. In fact, sometimes we harvest a whole box and leave it for weeks, even longer, refrigerated so that the green onions will start to turn yellow. The reason is that they turn very sweet and tender. Next time we have some, I will make a video about it. Now that we finished prepping, we're going to add a little bit of oil to our pan, turn it on to high heat, and begin the sautéing. Now the first part is to actually make sure the oil is hot enough. Once the oil is hot enough, we're actually going to toss in the green onions first to sauté them. So after sautéing the green onions for no longer than 2 minutes, I'm going to add in the meats. The green onions will look a little bit darker and also might have a little bit of browning on it. Next I'll be adding some salt. This time I'm going to add about 3 pinches of salt. Depending on how you like it, I like it less salty as usual, so I won't add that much salt. And finally, I'll be adding some grounded black pepper. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to How Do You Cook That? My name is Jason, and until next time, thank you.